Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm testing out the new kayak on the ocean. I've already launched and it's a little bit intimidating, I'm not going to lie, a little bit different from the river, but I'm not going to go out too far. I'm just going to mosey around the shallows, hopefully get some squid, maybe a herring or two, I don't know. But yeah, it's a beautiful day, the water's nice and clear, and yeah, hopefully just get a few fish in before lunchtime and head on home. So stay tuned for the video. Alright, squid jig we're using today is this one here. It's the, what brand is it? I don't even know. Oh, here we go. Harimitsu or something like that. Nice orange one, 3.5 gram. Just going to stick that on and hopefully the squid come out and give that a good munching. Other lure I'm going to flick around is this little Rapala X-Wrap, little slash bait. Hopefully the herring will absolutely annihilate that. Oh, I got one, come on. You! First squid, yes. 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 First little squidly. You. Aha. Not huge, but still. Woo. Woo. Oh, nice. Nice. That didn't take long. This out, another nice, well not another, the first squid I should say. Ah! Beautiful little southern calamari. I'm going to get this guy in the bucket and he's going to be fried up today. He's going to be absolutely delicious. On that orange squid jig there, the Harimitsu 3.5 one. Ah! Quick way to dispatch them is just straight behind the neck there. Just give them a little chop like that. Squeeze. See how they go white? Instantly dead. Beautiful. I think I've got one here. Thing? That I've got a lump of weed. Oh, that's a squid. Yoo-hoo! Oh, it's a nice one too. Oh, you. Yes. Oh, calamari. Oh, yeah, this one feels a lot bigger. Come on. Come on. I hope I don't get sprayed with more of that squid jizz. Oh, there it is. A bit bigger. About the same size. A little bit bigger. Come on, squirt, do your thing. No. As soon as I get him in the boat, that's what, or the kayak, sorry, that's what he's going to do. Let's see if I can get this all over my bloody face. No. Another beautiful calamari. Lovely. I'll get a photo, I think, and I'll get him back. Well, not get him back, put him straight in the bloody esky, I think. Oh, that's a squid. You. Yes. Oh, that feels alright. Another one. Yes. Oh. Yoo-hoo. Number 3. Oh, that's sick. Don't do it. They're all about the same size, but another beautiful little southern calamari. I'll dispatch this guy and I'll put him in the esky. Yoo. Whoa. Fish. Seaweed. The old seaweed. I love a bit of seaweed. Oh no, that's a fish. What have I got here? Ew! What is this? Oh! What is that? Oh, it's a herring. Nice sized herring too. Oh! Yeah! Get into the net! Yeah! Nice. That's a nice herring. Yeah! Jumping around. I'll show you in a sec once I get him out. Ah! Oh man. Oh, stay still. There you go, nice little Australian herring. I'm going to dispatch him because these guys are really good eating. Ooh. That's a fish. What do we got here? Have we got a little herring maybe? Another herring for the bucket. Come on, don't jump off. Notorious for jumping off these little things. If that's what it is, I'm pretty sure it would be. Oh no! Look at this! The old snooky. That's pretty cool. Old snook. Oh, Mr. Snook. I haven't caught a snook in ages. Oops, the daisies. Give a look at this little guy. Huh, he's pretty cool. They've got some serious teeth on them. Yeah! Whoa. The old snook. Pretty looking fish. Probably good for bait as well. I'll get him off. Where's my pliers gone? Ah, there he is. I'll get him back in the drink. Whew. He's gone. That was cool. I haven't caught a snook in ages. They can get actually really quite large. I don't think they're any good for eating. They're just full of bones, or needle sort of bones, but yeah, it's still pretty cool to catch though. On the troll, very nice. The troll, whatever you want to say it. What do we got here? Ooh! What do we have here? Is this another snook? Oh, it is too! A bigger snook! Ah! Look at him! Stay still! Whoa, 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 don't jump out, you got sharp teeth. It's scary looking. Oi! Cut it out! Stay still, please. There you go. Bigger specimen. I was going to say, it's pulling a little bit harder. That's pretty cool. I might get a photo actually. Alright, we'll just get this little guy out. Oh, there he is, old Snook. Check out the teeth on him. Boom! And he's gone. That was cool. Alright. Oh, no rag, so much slime on me. Oh, that's ridiculous. Alright. The old trolling working pretty well. Oh, just keep going. The old casual trawl back to the old squid grounds, getting some snook on the way. Ah! Ah! That's something else there. On up. You still there? No. Oh, it's a hit. Oh, oh. We're on again. Oh. Might be another snooky snook. Found the snook ground. Oh. What have we got here? Feels snookish. Whoa. Maybe. What have we got here? It is! So many snook! Whoa, holy shit! God, lucky he didn't jump in the boat then. Little torpedo. Ah! Stay still. This one's more lively. Oh man. Just snooking it up. Oh, Jesus, watch those teeth. Oh, Jesus Christ. Stay still. Oh, he's so slimy. Oh, there you go, another snook. Oh, he's gone. Bit of fun. Pretty cool. Feels like another snook. Snooking. Oh. Snooking it up. Oh. fun in a light gear though. That's another one. Another snooky. Oh, it's a bigger one though. Oh, oh, there's another one there. They're fighting over it. Ah, get out of it. Oh, oh. You put up a bit of fight. Oh. Oh. What's going on? Oh, I lost him. Oh, that was sick. Oh. I wonder if two. Oh. Oh. That's another one. Feels like it. Oh, he's gone. Oh, oh, back on. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Where's it going? There's so many. Shit. It's crazy. I need a bigger net. Oh, stop it. Oh man. Oh, how am I going to get this thing in there? Oh, they're so long. Oh, oh no, this is going to be a pain in the ass. I definitely need a bigger net. Oh, I wasn't prepared for this. Shit. Oh! I'm gonna get this thing in here. Oh! Oh, they're so sharp. They've got teeth like fucking no tomorrow. Oh, I've got to get the net somehow. Oh, there we go. God. Definitely getting a new net. Oh man. Big snooky. Stay still. I'll give you a look in a sec. Let's get these hooks out. Oh man. Look at that one. Big snook. Look at the teeth on him. I'll get a quick photo, I think. There he is. I'll get him straight back in the drink. Oh, I just don't want his teeth anywhere near me. They're so sharp. That was sick. What Right, I'll just show you the new kayak before I head back in. It's kayaks to fish. What was it, next gen 11.5 or something like that. But what do we got here? I'll just show you. Got this little storage hatch at the front there. This cool little pedal drive here, which propels you forward. It doesn't have reverse, but that doesn't matter. It's got the little handle here, which controls the rudder, which is very easy to use. What else have I got in here? I'm on the legs, but some under seat storage. Oh, if I can pull the thing out, which, you know, unclips, keep some tackle in there, fishing gear, GoPro, some batteries. Over the back here, it's got a little storage hatch, which I'm probably going to put the battery in soon. And yeah, this little flat place for the with the bucket to sit. A couple of rod holders. But yeah, all in all, pretty cool kayak. Very happy, very stable. You can stand up in it, but I don't really like standing up. It's a bit sketchy. I feel like if I fell over and it'd be the end of me, I wouldn't be able to get back in and it'd pull me fishing rods in. That'd be a pain in the ass. But yeah, pretty cool. Very happy with it. Alright, that's it for another video. That was a nice little trial run out in the ocean. It was good. Got a couple of squid, one herring, and heaps of these snook, which is fun. But yeah, so yeah, I'm back in the shallows now. All in all, the kayak worked really well. Yeah, I guess I just won't really go out when the wind's sort of over 15 knots. It sort of gets a bit how you going out, a bit choppy out there. But in the shallows here is still nice. But very happy with the outcome. So hopefully in the future I'll get out in the kayak a bit more in the ocean and target some bigger species. I don't know. We'll see how we go. But thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned for the next one. You.